Today we're going to show you how to apply correctly the offensive hook style. Hello guys, it's Kel from OmnipotentGrow.com. Here is my pal Tumbev. Today we're going to show you how to apply correctly the techniques that I show you about offensive hooking against hook players and against top rope players. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're not new here, enjoy. First of all, what we are going to want is to place our hand here with the way I'm showing you. So, because when you're attacking, your hand is going around the table and you're not blocking it on the table. Second of all, when you grip up, it's really better to grip with your thumb covered when you're going against hook players, because your rotation is better that way, and because you're going to stop the game here, and your rotation will have an endpoint in your clipped fingers. So what is the best implementation of offensive hook against another hook player? As I showed you, the way when you're training it with the big handle, the way of your movement is around your thumb, going here and then finishing with your pec, this here. So the implementation is your pointing finger is over your thumb, and then you're going around your thumb, then going in that direction that you trained, and then finish it with your pec movement. This is the thing that you want to do, going into that side. So you don't want to be here, you want to be here and then attacking. I'm showing it again a few times so you can feel the movement from the starting point, then here, and then applying the pressure here. So what we want to do against the top roller. The top roller will grip up really good and will go in that direction. So we want to grab a little bit lower without a thumb, without covering the thumb, and then we want to implement the other thing that we trained, which is when the force is going here, we are using it to go forward and hooking, and then finish it on the side. Then when you are top rope, you go forward, you get a little bit of contact here, and then you finish on the side. And this here is best implemented in straps, so you should definitely see our other video about how to go properly into a strap. But even with the good fingers and the good wrist, you can even do it without a strap. You have to be really quick so you don't squeeze too much, but you're holding still. And then when the other guy is top rolling, he's going in that direction, you go here, and then the arm is attacked, the rotation is a little bit taken, and then you finish it on the side. This is the idea behind this. Of course, there are guys that are really strong also in hook and top row, and if he goes top rolling and then you hook him, his biceps is holding, then he can go inside, and then the match is going into another direction. You want to be again on the attacking side, but if happens so that the other opponent is really strong, he's going to attack, and then you have to apply the defensive hook, which is a whole nother video, and I will show it to you next time. This is the main idea behind applying the offensive hook. Try it with your teammates and see what are the different angles that you're going to face in a competition. Apply it often, and always think about attacking first if it's possible, and try to be as holistic as possible. So try to do the whole movement as much as you can, and not just separate movements. This is it for today, guys. Cal from OG, my friend Tumbev here. Subscribe to the channel, and see you again soon.